welcome to my channel. Today I am barefaced because we are doing a TCA peel. Yes we are, yes we are. So I'm doing a 15% TCA peel, and as you can see I have melasma and it's really bad. Dark circles run in my family, like all my brothers and sisters. Okay, so I'm gonna saturate it. And oh, it's getting spicy. Yeah, it's spicy. Okay, now we wait 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah, it's really spicy. I would say it's like a 5, a good 5. Light. Shit, are you serious? Oh my god. Okay. We're just gonna continue on. Okay. Okay, are you ready? I'm ready. I'm ready. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, that's fucking on fire. Oh my gosh. Okay. Did I get everything? I don't know. Oh shit. Oh. Okay, I definitely see frosting here. Yeah, that's the only place I really see it. I'm scared. Okay. Oh. Oh. Ow. I'm heavy-handed, y'all, so. Oh. Okay. Oh. Okay, it's a little little bit bearable. Oh, I got some good frosting down there. Do you see it? I just want this ready.